In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Facebook dating not showing up. This is a common issue that many users face, and I want to guide you through some straightforward steps to resolve it. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app, but make sure you are not using a web browser. The app version is crucial for accessing all features, including Facebook dating. When you open the app, you will see your newsfeed and various options at the bottom. It's important to remember that the app has more features tailored for mobile users. If you don't have the app yet, download it from your device's app store. Next, we need to ensure that your Facebook app is updated to the latest version. Open the Play Store and search for the Facebook app. Once you find it, look for an option to update. If an update is available, tap Update to download it. Keeping your app updated is essential because updates often fix bugs and improve functionality. This means you will have the latest features and fixes on your device, making your experience smoother. After updating, the next step is to restart your phone. This simple action can resolve a lot of issues, including app glitches. To restart, simply hold down the power button until the option to reboot appears. Tap that option and your phone will shut down and restart. Restarting your device helps refresh all processes and ensures that any updates are fully integrated. Now, check your internet connection. A stable connection is necessary for Facebook dating to load properly. Open a browser or another app to see if your internet is working. If you notice issues, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Sometimes a weak connection can prevent apps from functioning correctly. Next, we need to turn on location permission for Facebook. This is crucial as Facebook dating relies on location services to function. Open Settings on your phone and tap on Apps or Applications. Scroll down and find Facebook. Tap on it to access the app settings. This step is important because enabling location services allows Facebook to provide relevant matches in your area. In the Facebook settings, tap on Permissions. You will see a list of permissions that Facebook requires. Locate location and tap on it. Here, select Allow while using the app or Precise Location if that option is available. Enabling location permissions ensures that Facebook can access your location and will help the dating feature show up. Now, let's confirm that you are 18 years or older. Facebook dating is only available for users who meet this age requirement. If your profile doesn't reflect this, you might not see the dating feature. This is an important safety measure to ensure that users are of an appropriate age to engage in dating. Additionally, make sure your Facebook account is at least 30 days old. This is another requirement for accessing Facebook dating. If your account was created recently, you may need to wait until it meets this age requirement. This policy helps maintain a secure environment for users. Lastly, check if Facebook dating is available in your country. Not all features are released globally at the same time. If it's not available in your region, you won't see it in the app. You can visit the official Facebook Help Center for specific details on availability in your area. If Facebook dating still doesn't appear after all these steps, report the issue. Go to Menu, then Help and Support, and select Report a Problem. This process allows Facebook to address issues directly and improve user experience. These are the most common fixes for a missing Facebook dating tab. Thank you for following along. I hope this helps you get back to finding potential matches.